Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to make 3D gel using collagen raw materials from Trauer Biotech. We use Trauer Biotech collagen sponge in this video. The materials required for this preparation are as follows. Sterile bovine collagen sponge from Trauer Biotech, 10 times PBS, 10 times Delbeco's modified Eagle medium. Let's start. Step 1. Cut the weighed collagen sponge into pieces, dissolve them in water for injection, and stir thoroughly until fully swollen and dissolved to form a homogeneous collagen solution. Step 2. Mix the collagen solution with 10 times concentrated medium and PBS at a weight ratio of 8:1:1. Next, under a physiological environment of 37 degrees Celsius, Trauer collagen exhibits excellent self-assembly capability and forms a stable 3D gel network in a constant temperature shaker. If you also need to prepare 3D gels, please contact Trauer for more information.